Richard has been very quietly playing. I wonder what he's doing. Oh! Excuse me. What are you doing? Are you cleaning out your drawers? Richard? What do we have here? What are all your clothes doing all over the floor, huh? Are you... Oh, let that go. Nope. Oh boy. Richard, what are you doing? Are you getting into things? Are you cleaning out your drawers? Just trying to help out around the house, huh? Oh, lots of stuff in those drawers. It's gotta get these drawers cleaned out. I spend all day cleaning my mama's drawers out. I just don't have time to get to my own, but it's a weekend, so you probably wanted to do a little house cleaning. And I can get these clothes organized finally. What are you doing? Just cleaning up, huh? Just cleaning up. Richard. It's a lot of work house cleaning, huh? A lot of work.